I have a few questions from the internet. The first question is from a student from Petah Tikva about judging the whole world to a scale of merit. I have a friend in the 10. I see it with my eyes that he derides the morning lesson. Either he's late or he's asleep or he doesn't make it. How much should I ask the Creator for the forces to judge him to the scale of merit?
I don't think you should ask the Creator here. First of all, you should do whatever you can with your hands and feet to awaken him as much as you can. Talk about it in the evening, talk with him about what's going to happen in the morning. Try to wake him up, to have importance for the morning lesson. By envy, we talked about something during the morning lesson and he missed it. You should try how to awaken the emotions in him.
Next question from Tel Aviv. What to do if a friend doesn't want to rise above his ego and his criticism, and he demands everyone to accept him because that's how the Creator made him?
The Creator made us like beasts, animals, the worst in the world. We have to climb from this low level. It's true, we're all this way, but we have to reach a level where we're like the Creator, the top of the ladder. So, what? He doesn't want to change? So why is he with us? What does he want from this teaching? Maybe he doesn't know that through this teaching, you have to reach equivalence of form with the Creator. That only to the extent of this equivalence of form with the group and within the group, with the Creator, he attains the upper world, his soul. Explain this to him.
How do we buy a virtual friend?
The truth is, this is something I don't know. I think, meaning it's more relevant in the 10. I think we should see ourselves. Do everyone have a 10? Does everyone have a 10? If there is no 10, let's say the French speakers, there are some people who speak French and they don't have 10s, right? Maybe they're anywhere around the world, doesn't matter where they physically live, so they can connect and make a 10 out of themselves, or a few 10s, and then they can start working on the connection between them, as it's written about building a 10. And bit by bit, they'll see that they're connected to each other and that they have a mechanism, they have an order to connect, etc., etc. That's how, but without a 10, one does not advance. He only advances when in his 10, he determines, he sets new kinds of, more strong kinds of connections every day.